Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a cute Santa Claus planter using a small mudki and clay. So let's start. Here I took this mudki or kulhad. It's actually waste and we'll use a molded clay to make our Santa. First here, after mixing the clay, I am making Santa's nose. And here I am making Santa's mustak. Keep watching how I am doing this. Now I am making eyebrows with clay. And here I am making Santa's beard. Then I took a sharp tool and making details on eyebrows, beard and mustaks. And then I will make Santa's hat. Keep watching. Here, as you can see, I am cutting round shapes balls and attaching on side of the face. Actually, I am making Santa's curly hair and then add details with tools. Here lastly I am making Santa's eyes. And here my cute Santa planter is ready. Now it's color time. First I am applying white acrylic color on full pot. Now putting skin color on face and nose. Here I am coloring the hat using red acrylic color and full back of the cooler. Here applying golden acrylic color. Now again I am applying white acrylic color on eyebrows, hair and mustak. Lastly applying dark brown on eyes and finish it. Here my cute planter is totally ready. Hope you will all like it. I like it. Is not it too cute? If you like this video, do like and share, and to see more amazing video like this, subscribe my channel. Do check out my other videos too. Hope you will enjoy it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.